Hi friends, this is Jennifer and I'm happy to have you back with this new layout for HipKit Club. My mission was to use a cut file as a stencil. I chose the exclusive butterfly cut file from April 2021. To start, I coat a white cardstock with clear gesso to prepare it for mixed media and I dry everything well. I'm using the Chimmers V-Base Mustard Seed and Sweetheart inks from the March 2021 color kit and Love Ocean 9 from my supply. In order not to overshoot with the inks, I place the cut file on my page and I make landmark with yellow ink. I would only use the left wing for my layout. I then apply the ink with a piece of rhodoid, but you can use whatever you want or nothing at all, each to their own technique. So I spread the ink, I make areas of distinct colors, I add ink if necessary and remove if I stick out too much or if there is too much. I dry to fix the colors and I add ink to darken the colors a little more and to get closer to the colors of the paper butterflies. I dry everything well and add splashes with the same inks. I continue my background with the stencil that I cut out of a brown cardstock from my supply. I use Tim Holtz Distress Texture Paste matte and always the same inks. So I mix a little paste with the ink. I add ink if the color is too light and coverly I add paste if it's too dark. I apply the colored paste in tone on tone with the background on the stencil. I voluntarily exceed so that the outlines of the wing appear. I love using this paste with inks because it's already very dense and with inks it still remains quite compact, while with other paste the mixture becomes liquid and often once applied on a stencil the mixture passes below and the result is not perfect. There I was too far away, so I remove the paste with a spatula and damp paper. I finish with yellow. If I overlapped the other colors, it will just create some undertones, whereas if I had ended up with a dark color, it would have completely covered the other color. So I made green and orange shades. I remove the stencil and finish with splashes of white gesso diluted with a little water to bring light. I continue with the decoration. I mainly used the April 2021 kits. I position a few butterflies that I cut from the Ami Tangerine Brave and Bold Monarch paper. These butterflies are simply beautiful. I choose a black and white photo to make it stand out with all these colors. I'm preparing the photo. I add crumpled tracing paper for added texture and blue and pink cards from the March 2021 Pocket Life kit underneath. I edge the edges of the cards for a worn effect that I really like. To the right of my photo, I decide to add the same inks to color these empty parts a little. Always with the same method, I apply the ink separately. Here, I made an area too big. So I remove the ink as much as possible with water and absorbent paper. Then I start again with the photo to have a mark. When all is well, I dry and I glue the photo with cardboard for more volume in the center of my page and of the wing by tilting it a little. For embellishment, I chose these lovely stickers from the Garden Party collection by Maggie Holmes, which is part of the embellishments kit from April 2021 and a wonderful chipboard from the same collection and kit. I glue a few butterflies on the wing, trying to coordinate the colors. But I don't put too much so as not to completely cover the wing. I continue with the title. I choose the expression "You give me butterflies." I thought it went perfectly with my page and the photo of my children. I used the alphabets pink and blue from the March 2021 kits, which match my page very well and because I love them. I use the different fonts to play with the dimensions. I find it likes a bit of yellow in this title, and I don't have a yellow alphabet, so I add ink below. I take this opportunity to do some retouching of ink here and there. So I glue the title. Oops, sorry to hide your view. Don't look at my white hair. So I complete the decoration with black and white heart stickers, chipboards, and die cuts from the Garden Party collection by Mackie Holmes included in the kit. I then add a striped piece of printed paper to the top of my page on the right, as I think that's part blank. This paper is just superb. It's the trellis paper, still from the Garden Party collection, included in the April 2021 kit too. So I therefore cut my page diagonally with a scissor after having visualized the rendering, because after it's too late. Then I edge the edge and glue the striped paper instead. When I do this, I like to sew the seam afterwards. So I sewed here with black thread and added zigzag stitching around the wing and under my title. I finished the decoration with stickers and die cuts from the February 2021 embellishments kit. They go so well with the striped paper and the colors of my layout. I add the phrase die cuts "Be who you are" on the title. The yellow was missing. And the hello stickers at the top of the seam. I finally finish after splashing black paint diluted with a little water. I hope this layout has given you some ideas. Thanks for stopping by and watching. I wish you a week full of creativity. See you soon.